God. Alright guys, so I just finished an hour of workout. Man, that little stepper is something else. I'll show you. This right here is a bona fide killer. Okay? I will always continue to say, don't be fooled by the size. That literally beat my ass today. I'm literally all wet at the back. I'm trying to lose a couple of pounds because I just want to be obviously a little bit healthier, but I also want to feel good, you know, like feel good from the outside. I feel good on the inside, I just don't feel good on the outside. Appearance, I should say. But yeah, yesterday was so much fun, you guys. We went to the luxury apartments here in Vegas. There's a lot of like new construction, so we're kind of like browsing to see what they offer, what their prices are, and stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited. I feel like when our lease is up, which is October, we're gonna know where we want to go. We haven't set ourselves to one particular like apartment, but we're just browsing right now, to be honest. I don't like how the new construction have like resort fees kind of thing. I feel like that's like they give you like a price for the rent and then they add all these other prices and then the rent becomes a little bit more. But I don't know, I feel like that's the kind of thing here in Vegas, like especially with new construction, they are adding that, and it's not like cheap. It's a pretty penny. It's some of them is $150, $140. There was one that was like $240. So it's a little ridiculous, but I feel like when you add up everything, it kind of is a little bit cheaper, because if you were to rent and then go get a gym membership, you know, go to a spa or something like that, I mean, it adds up, right? But I don't know, I feel like that's just where we're heading, you know. But we pay $12.50 in this apartment and we get zero anything. We don't even have a washer and dryer in the apartment, so it's a little annoying, because we have 2 washers and 1 dryer, and the dryer doesn't even work, so you have to put multiple times for the clothes to be dry. And you have to pay, you know, you have to scan it in your phone and stuff like that. So no there is parking, which is obviously $50, but there is no gym. There's nothing. Just you're literally paying for a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Obviously the new construction, they have a lot of things. The apartment that we went to, the Arriva, there's no paid parking, so it's first come first serve with the parking. But everything else is obviously a little expensive, but I mean, you saw the amenities. There were ice that you can get for free, which was really cool. There's like a theater, there's a gym, there's a spa, there's like a yoga place, there's a zen, like there's so much. And the pools were like huge. So, you know, for $16.50, it is justifiable. But then when they put the resort fees, it's just kind of like, it's a little hard to justify it. Just looking at Ozzy, he's so cute. Look at him. Took him for a long walk this morning, so he's dead. I'm just cooling down before I head into the shower. But yeah, I will continue to show you like different apartments and stuff. Be mindful that if you're looking for a cheap apartment, you can definitely find a cheap apartment here in Vegas, but just know that it's not going to probably be in like a good neighborhood, and you know, it's just not going to be safe. So when I lived at the 2-in-1, we started off as 1 year. We wanted to get familiar with the place. We wanted to get familiar with Las Vegas, the areas and stuff like that. So eventually when we did move out, we would know where we want to go. And that's where we landed in this place, which is near the art district. So we decided to come here. It's a little bit safer than the 2-in-1. Your car is a lot safer than where we had our car. But yeah, the 2-in-1 is cheap, but with cheap you get cheap. You get surroundings that are cheap. The you know, the staff that worked there they gave zero shit about you. The community, you know, it's very disrespectful. They're always loud. It's disgusting. The patio is disgusting. You know, so yeah, you know, you can definitely find a cheap living, but with that comes cheap living, you know, cheap surroundings and stuff like that. So with a little bit more price, you get security, you know, you make sure your car is safe. I can't tell you how many times people's cars were getting broken into in the 211. You know, obviously if you can pay that, I mean, that's totally, that's you, you know, you can pay that. Me and Richard, we can pay a little bit more, you know, so we're grateful for that. But at the same time, you know, we love to save. We love to, you know, save a lot and kind of not frugal, I should say, but just, yeah, we like to have, you know, I like to call it rainy day monies or money, rainy day money, because they come, you know, they come unexpectedly, and you want to make sure that you have to cover for that. You know, there are many times I can't explain to you or express to you how many times me and Richard were in a really bad situation because we didn't save money, and you know, we got screwed and we got in a bit of trouble. And you know, me and Richard were getting out of debt right now. I'm not trying to tell you everything, but yeah, you know, we're getting out of debt. We finished paying our car off. We got a lot of our credit cards paid off already. So, you know, we're getting out of debt and we're pretty proud of that. So every step that we make from now on, we make sure it's calculated. We make sure that we're careful. Like right now, obviously, as we're doing apartment hunting, you know, we're calculating the numbers and stuff and seeing if it's good for us. If it's gonna put us in a bad situation, then we won't do it. If it's gonna make us feel a little bit more comfortable to pay more for security and stuff, then that's, you know, we can do that. You know, everyone's financials are different, and me and Richard's, you know, we live a nice comfortable life. You know, I'm not a lavish person, neither is Richard, so I'm good with that. Not saying that there's anything wrong with that. I mean, I've got like really nice things and stuff, but you know, my mom, I like to call her a hippie, but not in that full sense. She's just like, yeah, she never brought us up you know, with lavish things, and she always brought us up with happy memories. That was her thing. Happy memories are a lavish thing. That's what she said. And she's my mama, so she ain't wrong. All right, I'm going to go and have a shower because today I'm gonna go film. Sabrina is coming, so you're gonna see her, guys. And yeah, I asked her if she could come and be content. Gina has a ton of her clients, but they don't like to be filmed, so that's fine. I'm like, absolutely, like I know a lot of people don't like to be filmed. I personally don't like to get filmed when I'm doing like a facial, especially a facial, because I want to be like fully relaxed. But there'll be some times that maybe I'll pull up the phone and show you guys what I'm doing and stuff, but most of the time I like to be fully relaxed. But Sabrina's such a good heart. She was like, yeah, of course, like I'll come. So yeah, I can't wait, you guys. You guys are coming with me. I'll show you kind of the setup and stuff, or Gina's setup. But yeah, it's gonna be at 2:30, and currently, sorry, my little sore. It is 11:40, so I gotta get in the shower. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, so I just finished work. It was so cool. Sabrina came and she did a facial and I recorded it and stuff. So thank you, Sabrina, if you're watching. I love you so much, you know that. Sabrina's like a little sister, you guys. I love that girl so much, so thank you. But yeah, her skin looks amazing, you guys. Amazing. She loved it. So yeah, I just finished that, and now Summer's gonna come. We're gonna eat at this French bistro, and yeah, we're just gonna have a little chit chat. She's got somewhere to be around like 6 o'clock, so yeah, I'm just gonna kill some time because Richard gets off at 5. It's currently 4:16 right now, so I'm just kind of gonna chill out with my friend Summer since she lives around the area. So you guys, if you're looking for like a facialist and you're looking to get your skin better, I will leave my boss's Instagram right here. I always love to give my friends and my boss shout outs. I think all the girls that I've gone with are amazing. My boss is amazing, so I always love to give like a good shout out to all my friends, you know. And all my friends are in the industry. They're either waxers, facialists, mainly those, or hairdressers, because Rose is the hairdresser that's cut my hair before and stuff. So yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna go. I think I see her. I think that is her. Okay, I gotta go. I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, so it is me and Rich's 4-year anniversary being here in Las Vegas. We actually moved May 4th, 2019. Cannot believe it's been 4 years already. 4. Like, it blows my mind how quick time is just going, and I cannot believe that it's May 4th, 2023. Like, that's insane. I'm actually working right now, so this is the book. I have to put everyone's allergies in, so that's what I've been doing. But yes, it is currently Thursday, and I ended up going to have lunch with one of my good friends, Rose. We ended up going to our favorite spot, which is Bangkok Place on Fremont here downtown. So yeah, you guys, if you're ever there, go eat. It's delicious in there. Delicious. But yes, I'm just working right now. I ended up talking to my mom for a little bit. She was working. So I was like, I'm sorry. But yeah, it's super early over there right now. I'm trying to call my pops, but he's not answering. But yeah, I will see you guys a little bit later. Of course, it is a shitty day today. It is very windy. So yeah, but you gotta go back to work. But yeah, 4 years. 4 freaking years, you guys. Holy shit balls. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. And then she dipped it. Like when it's spring. Because you see all these beautiful flowers and stuff. I feel like we always find like... These are so cute. They really do have all the Winnie dogs. Ooh, look at that candle. Look at this one. I like this one. I really do. I might get him that one. Let's see how much it's at. $6.99. You don't like this one?
Yeah, but I'm trying to find them also a rubbery, chewy one that can distract him for a few minutes.
Hey guys, so we're just getting some toys for OZZIE. Poor little guy, he hasn't had a couple of toys in a couple of months, so I'm gonna surprise him. Hey guys, so we decided to get him the, I don't know what this is, a crab? I think it's a crab. And then this carrot right here where you put your treats in and they have to find it. I'm just getting some poopy bags. Hey guys, so we are actually heading to Foodie Land, which I'm super excited about because we've never gone. But yeah, I don't know what to expect, but all I'm saying is I have not had my breakfast, so I am good to go. I cannot wait to eat. I've seen some of like the stuff that they sell, so I'm excited to like try it out and stuff. So let's go. That's the festival right there. We're actually canceling because it's shit, so we're going back. Alright guys, so we're actually gonna scratch the festival. It looks really shitty, not gonna lie. Just for parking and stuff, I don't know. It's a little weird. We'd just rather not. We're gonna scratch it all together, and then go somewhere else. So